Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 10th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2022. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all another great pie recipe. We're going to make cherry pie. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of cherry flavor. A great addition to your Thanksgiving dinner. Y'all going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pie recipes playlist, my Thanksgiving recipes playlist, and my previous video, Southern Corn Pudding. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your cherries, and turn on your oven sugar because we're about to bake some cherry pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 4 cups of frozen sour red cherries that I thawed and they pitted, or you can use the fresh red sour cherries. And in 2 our cherries, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of white sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pure almond extract. I'm sorry, that's a 1/2 teaspoon. And almond goes amazing with cherries. We're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're well combined. It'll create a glaze. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up my cherries. Look at that beautiful glaze. Could smell the almond extract. That's like the smell of cherries. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour it into our pie crust. We're going to pour it in the 9-inch pie crust, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post the recipe to that down below in the description box. Alrighty, and over here I have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter that I cut into chunks. And we're going to dollop the butter right on top of our cherries. And how simple and easy was that? Our cherry pie filling is complete. Alright, so now I'm going to get my other pie crust together and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got my pie crust together, and make sure you double my pie crust recipe to get 2 9-inch pie crusts. So we're going to take my pizza cutter. We're going to cut them into strips. Like so. Alrighty, so now we're going to take one of the strips and we're going to place it right on top of the pie. Alright, my friends, I got all my strips on top. So now there's a few more things we got to add to it. Over here, I made an egg wash, which is 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk, or you can use water. And I lightly beaten them. So now we're going to brush the pie with the egg wash. It'll give us a nice golden brown crust when it comes out the oven. And next we're going to add on some more butter chunks on top. Going to be super buttery. And the dusting of white sugar. Alrighty, now ready to put our cherry pie in the oven. Oven's preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to let it bake for about 25 minutes. Then after 25 minutes, we're going to reduce the heat down to 350 and we're going to let it bake for 30 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade cherry pie. Doesn't that look good? And look at the crust, nice and golden brown. And the smell is incredible. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked pie. So now we're going to let our pie rest and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I cut me up a slice and I'm serving it with some whipped cream on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The pie crust is perfectly cooked. It's buttery. And the cherries is soft. It just melts in your mouth. This is awesome, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cherry pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.